6 Best GMAT Preparation Books to Get Good Score. GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test, is a computer adaptive test. This test is for assessing the skills that are necessary to succeed in graduate business programs. It is an important application component for admission to the top business schools worldwide. As GMAT is the most popular exam for admission to top business schools, you must prepare from the best resources. The best resources to prepare for the exam is preparing from the best GMAT preparation books that will cover everything about the GMAT exam. So in this video, you will get the list of best books that will help you get your desired score on the GMAT exam. Best GMAT preparation books. Books are the best way to prepare for the GMAT. Books provide the best way to practice for the exam. The books have a proper and detailed overview of the exam syllabus, pattern, and essential tips. Some books are listed below, from which you can choose according to your convenience. The GMAT Official Guide. The Critical Reasoning Bible, PowerScore. The GMAT Sentence Correction Strategy Guide, Manhattan Prep. Total GMAT Math, Jeff Sackmann. GMAT Advanced Quant, Manhattan Prep. Manhattan Prep GMAT Strategy Guides. 1. The GMAT Official Guide. This is the first book in the list of best GMAT preparation books. This is the official book by the GMAT exam creators. There is no substitute for this book when it comes to GMAT preparation. This book helps you to make your base about the exam strong. In this book, you will clearly understand the exam and exam topics. You will get proper exams like the question set in this book for GMAT preparation. Once you buy this book, you won't need to ask yourself how to prepare for GMAT. It will help students to get a deep understanding of the concepts. 2. The Critical Reasoning Bible, PowerScore. This is one of the highly recommended GMAT preparation books for the exam. This book is packed with mini drill and high-depth theory. This book is useful in clearing your critical reasoning concepts. This book will provide you with all the necessary strategies that will be useful for you while doing critical reasoning. This is a must-recommended book by the experts to boost your performance in critical reasoning in the GMAT exam. 3. The GMAT Sentence Correction Strategy Guide, Manhattan Prep. This book has a reputation among students as the ultimate sentence correction guide. So, consider this book one of the best GMAT preparation books for sentence correction strategies. This book helps you provide a deep knowledge of basic and advanced English grammar concepts. You will get a proper breakdown of questions in this book. This book is easy to read and understand compared to the other GMAT resources available in the market. 4. Total GMAT Math, Jeff Sackmann. This book is a great source to boost your math knowledge. This book is best to make your math foundation strong, as this book has a variety of topics you need to study before the GMAT exam. There are some reviews that this book may confuse you with because of the language in this book. This book is best for students who do not come with a strong foundation in math. This is one of the best books that help you clear your doubts. This book is the best to revise your math concepts. 5. GMAT Advanced Quant, Manhattan Prep. To boost your Quant score, this is one of the best GMAT preparation books. This book is best for advanced Quant questions and strategies for test takers. In this book, the questions level may be higher than the actual exam question level. So this book is best to make your preparation strong and put you forward in your exam preparation. 6. Manhattan Prep GMAT Strategy Guides. This is not a single book but a set of multiple books by the publisher Manhattan Prep. These books provide the best strategies with a detailed explanation of the different concepts of the GMAT exam. In this set of books, there are books for each section of the exam that will help you prepare for each section. The best thing about this exam is that it focuses on the foundation knowledge of a subject. In this set of books, you will get plenty of exam-based questions that will help you properly know the exam format. Tips to choose the best GMAT preparation book. Go for a book that focuses on all the sections of the GMAT exam and provides strategies to improve in those sections. The best GMAT book is that it provides numerous exam-based practice tests that will give you a proper idea about the exam pattern and the types of questions you will face in the exam. Some books provide you access to their online learning resources. So, go for the book that gives you access to their online resources to clear your concepts more accurately. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.